So yeah, we are back at the lesson, section 1, unit 13, we are back at fractions. But I realized after the update that, yeah, I have done the intermediate. Yeah. See? Section 2, unit 1. So section 2, unit 1 was multiply. And then, yeah, apparently else, yeah. All the way till this unit 15, section 2, unit 15, which is, yeah, the review. So I can either jump here or I can just go back to section 1, unit 13, which is, yeah, with upsetting that I have to complete it again. Not sure what happened. Nevertheless, let's just do it. Okay, 1/5, 2/5, 3, 1 plus 2. Okay, 3/5. Okay, 3/6, which is half. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/9. 5/7. And then this is the remainder. 3, 8. Huh? Oh, 1, 8. Oopsie. 2/9. What's 1 minus 3/4? 1/4. What's 3/5 plus 2/5? 1 whole. Show 2/7 of the pizza. 2/5. 1, 2, 3. Again, 4, 5. Okay. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7. 2, 8. This is the remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 4/7. Okay, let's look. It's 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7. Always made the mistake of counting them wrongly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6/7. 8. Oh my god. I can't. How do I? 1. Okay, that's 4. That's 8. 7/8 minus 1 is 6/8. 6/8 is, I said to 6/8. I'm going to bring it to the lowest. And well, that's the end of that lesson. And yeah, that's 1,811 days. That's all, folks. Bye-bye.